Most hockey players with weak lower traps think they need to pull their shoulders down and back more, but it's usually not what the shoulders actually need. The lower trap's main job isn't pulling the shoulders down. The primary role is to control upwards rotation of the shoulder blade as the arm is going overhead. Because of the direction of how the muscle fibers run, the lower trap helps guide the shoulder blade upwards and inwards while keeping it flush against the ribcage. That congruency matters. The shoulder blade doesn't stay on the ribcage during overhead motion. Force leaks into the shoulder joint. Over time, that's when hockey players start to deal with shoulder pain and neck irritation, having overall loss of power in the shoulder. Think about how often the arm goes overhead, being shooting, stick handling, and absorbing contact. If the lower trap can't control shoulder blade upwards rotation, the upper trap starts to take over. The ribcage flares and the shoulders shrug. That's not strength, that's compensation. And here's a great exercise to help train back the lower trapezius muscle. All you need for this exercise is a band, a chair, and a door. With your band, tie a knot and put it in the door about waist height. Stand slightly in front of the band and take a small step away. Your working arm is going to start down by your side. Now with your opposite hand, place it on the chair in front of you to get extra support and isolation of the lower trapezius muscle. Now slowly raise up the working arm in a straight path. Stop at the moment where your ribcage wants to come upwards and flare, or that active shoulder starts to shrug, keeping your arm about 30 degrees forwards, not straight out to the side and not way out in front of you. Some common mistakes that we see is forcefully bringing that shoulder downwards. You need to let upwards rotation happen with the shoulder blade. You want to do 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 slow repetitions. This will help control your shoulder blade and protect your shoulder.